CV, sports is not just a hobby, it's a passion that drives us to greatness.
Our expert coaches push us to be our best, instilling discipline and determination.
Basketball, football, cricket, athletics, tennis, we play it all and we play to win.
CV has produced athletes who shine at national and international levels.
At CV, we don't just play the game, we own it.